Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to do a send it on Snapchat. So how you gonna do that? First of all, I will tell you what you have to do. You have to simply click on the Play Store and you have to search for the app, Send It app. And after that, you have to simply install that app. And after installing, you have to open that app. After opening that app, what you have to do, you have to connect that app, send it app to the Snapchat. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply put a question here. So I'm going to put a question here. So here you can select, is this tutorial helpful? So you can select any of the question you want to ask on Snapchat. So if you click on that, after that you have put the question here, you can click on the background to change that background. So here you can find, you can select any of the background here. After that you can also change the text here. For example, if you want to use the text any of here, you can use any of that text. After that you can simply click on the share, and after clicking on share it will take you to the Snapchat, and here you can simply use that feature in the Snapchat. Now it has opened on Snapchat, and what you have to do, you have to simply click a snap, and you can use that snap with send it. And in this way you can use send it application, and you can simply ask any question by using that. If someone clicks on that, then you will get the answer on the send it application here in the inbox of the send it. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel.